ready to crack the deals on Wish.com. What could possibly go wrong? TM slogan. Famous last words. Hidden anti-theft FBI travel phone key. You know what? It's an armpit bag. I don't know what more I could ask for out of an armpit bag for $6. Will work for V-Bucks.
Yo.
I'm not buying that shirt.
What?
Corona Bluetooth bottle speaker. It's just a Corona, it's a wireless speaker. Is this a good idea?
Why wouldn't it be? That means you can discreetly hide your speaker at the beach and only look like you're enjoying a nice beer instead.
Add it to cart. Is this laser vision? What is going on with this image? Multi-strength reading glasses with LED. Dude, this girl looks like she's like about to blast a hole in her book. I gotta get this. Ooh, the anti-spy signal bug RF detector. I need to detect some RF. What if someone's trying to spy on me? It is only $3. All right, I'm finding some good stuff here. Does anyone want a scent slammer?
What?
It's a ozone air purifier.
Wait, isn't ozone like really toxic?
I don't know. Maybe it's taking the ozone out of your air.
I typed in, is ozone toxic? And the first thing that comes up is ozone is a toxic gas.
Sign me up, add to cart. Wish is delightful today. I feel like a lot of times when we're shooting Wish Tree Tech, we all sit here for like an hour trying to find stuff and like almost everything is garbage, but there's so many great things. Fishing magnet, 400-pound neodymium magnet with a 400-pound weight. That's a lot. And I'm not sure how I would test this, but for 20 bucks, sure. I'll go magnet fishing. Mini wireless Bluetooth headset, very small, sound quality is super good. So this is a blingy Squirtle for $2. Look, I need a Squirtle Squad necklace. I'm adding that to my cart instantly. This is a Gucci watch, but it's apparently original used, 90% new.
What does that even mean?
Not only is it 90% new, there's also 95% new and then 99% new.
I want 99% new. There's a Wii Somato sensory game console, double wheel family with sports entertainment. What? Is this an actual Wii?
I think there's only one way to find out.
Yeah. Add to cart. With a wide selection of items, I think there's only one thing left to do, which is to press the order button, wait 1 to 2 months for all these items to show up, and I'll be right back after a word from our sponsor, YouTube AdSense. Or maybe a real sponsor, who knows? All right. That was not what I was ready for. Welcome back, my friends, to Wish Tree Tech. It has been an especially long time. I think it was almost 2 months since we ordered this stuff that it actually showed up. But we've got a fun menagerie of...
Menagerie? Those are choice words for a kid that didn't go to high school.
Yeah. All right, so the first item is... This is a bottle-shaped true wireless speaker. This item is intended for people of legal drinking age.
Why?
What?
It's a speaker.
So you can actually put your cap on, and you've got your, your USB on the back of your beer. Also, can I just say this is not the right color? Like, this is like...
It looks like it's full of sewage.
Would you be so kind as to remind me how much this particular item was?
Well, this is only 29 bucks. A couple dollars more than a real Corona.
Have you ever bought beer before?
I'm not old enough yet, Ken. I'm trying to blend in.
Not only does it have the exposed screws, it has the cheapest little like switch. So when I turn it on, it does.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Wow. I probably shouldn't play this. I'm gonna play it anyway. No one's buying this to actually buy a good speaker. You're buying it because it's a funny looking beer bottle that makes okay Bluetooth noises. Next up we've got, what is this? Oh wait.
Oh.
This is the hidden anti-theft FBI travel phone key underarm multi-pockets with adjustable strap messenger bags armpit bag.
No, this
You're
is meant
supposed
to
to put it under
go.
your shirt. Always squanching.
Ta-da!
You look like you have wings trying to pop out of your back.
Oh,
My Pixel 7 was where you would least expect it.
well, you were supposed to put it under your...
It's on the side.
Yeah.
Your arm can go over it to disguise it.
Can you do a little like?
Oh my God!
How much was this particular FBI bag again?
Well, it was $5.70, and it looks like you got that worth.
How dare you make fun of my armpit
The
bag.
face is uncanny.
You're right. Throw and go, ozone odor eliminator. Are you trying to tell me something?
Yes.
Wow.
So it contains an ozone generator to eliminate offending odors.
This is like a big version of what we looked at on This Is. Remember we had the little necklace
the air
one?
purifier.
Yeah.
I will say this feels very cheap, like just the most hollow, flimsy plastic ever. This particular item may need 2 to 3 hours to charge before it works. Stay tuned to see if we die from ozone poisoning. Oh boy. So these appear to be standard, ordinary glasses. However, these have a secret. Wow. Oh, the reading glasses. Is it on?
Oh,
Whoa,
one of them is.
Whoa, what is this?
I can finally see you now. This is how close I have to be to see you.
Wow, these are terrible. So these are supposed to be like LED glasses, right?
Well then, let's test them out.
They're so dim that even in a completely pitch black environment, you can hardly see it. There's no way this is gonna help you read. Jared, how much were these?
These were $1.90.
Behold, my friends, I joined the Squirtle Squad. I'm gonna say this has some weight to it, and I think I'm gonna wear it for the rest of the video.
Well, do you want to know the best part of it? It's only $1.90 again.
That looks heavy. That is heavy. Oh no, I forgot about this. It's the lever magnet. May push your fingers when attracting on any metallic object. Keep it away from children of all ages and pacemakers. Children of all ages? Ouch. So I'm sure you've all seen the magnet fishing videos on like TikTok and Reels and whatnot, where people will basically just take a big ass magnet like this, cast it in an area where people lose a lot of stuff, and they'll pull up like iPhones, bikes.
If I learned anything, it's that rivers are mostly guns.
You got yourself a hook with some very sharp prongs that are protected, some gloves.
This is like a break-in kit. Like,
Don't try this at home, and don't demonetize this video.
no.
Thank you, Jared.
Oh, jeez.
Okay.
Can you get it off?
Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay.
I need one more big metal thing. I'll be right back.
Like, oh, God.
I caught a trash can. How much was this?
This is 19 bucks.
This is totally worth $19. You can magnetize and fish and find cool things in rivers, or in your office, or pick up a computer.
That's gonna fall. That's gonna fall. That's gonna fall. That's
please
gonna
don't break
fall.
that.
The
Totally fine.
top part is gonna.
This is Electronic Pets Interactive Bird Toys.
Is it a Furby?
Got
Let's go.
We just had an exorcist for the last one.
What in the off-brand ass Furby is this?
Oh,
It's actually.
God.
Wait, no, it's cuter.
Okay, so what does it actually do?
Did he just repeat you?
Are you repeating me?
Let's go! Hey guys, this is Austin.
Roboraptor, attack!
He's turning Roboraptor against us.
Roboraptor, don't you do it. Don't you do it.
He said do
No! Stop, Roboraptor, no!
it. He won the
No,
third
don't you do
point.
that. Yes! Can we move on to the next item? Okay, so is this really just one earphone? It is!
Wow, it's the Uber driver special, dude.
Wait, this is the whole thing.
Wait, that's kind of cool.
There's no stem, there's nothing. But it has a dock, so when you put it on here, then you've got your USB. How does it look? Does it look like I'm
Not
wearing
bad.
nothing at all?
It's like someone put a Jelly Belly in your ear.
All right, let's listen to some music and I'll tell you exactly how beautiful this sounds. Doesn't sound good, but also, I don't necessarily think I care too much about the audio quality of a single headset. What I actually care about more is the recording quality or the microphone quality built into the headset. So this is what the recording sounds like from my BL08. Yeah, that's peaky. So it doesn't sound good to listen or to be listened to with. Jared, how much is this beautiful piece of Wishtery tech?
Yet again, $1.90.
I mean, I don't know if you could do better for less than $2. Okay, that's a very soft item in a very fancy looking box. Inside, we have a Gucci watch with a nice little fancy pillow.
Oh, actually?
Well, you know what? It actually does say Gucci and it says Swiss made. Boy, I'm sure that's a true statement. It actually does have the little like kind of Gucci sort of symbol on the actual band itself. And I will say it's actually thick and does feel relatively nice. Now, the watch itself does look mega cheap. Okay, I found one problem. The wristband is so stiff. This is flat, so I can't actually like The question is, this is clearly not an authentic piece of Gucci merchandise, but exactly how cheap is this knockoff?
This was $29.
For a knockoff though, 30 bucks is a little bit much, but I appreciate the brazenness. A lot of things on Wish that are knockoffs will like change something, like the Furby, wherever it went, was a Furby, but this is a straight fake Gucci watch. Next up, we've got Case 100X, microscope with illuminant with a magnification of 100 times.
Wait, so this is like binoculars for small things?
Also known as a microscope.
Ah, yeah.
Okay, what should I magnify? Oh,
Water?
no, a Pokemon card. You gotta get focused just right, but I can see every speck of ink on this. That's some detail right there. Jared, how much was this 100x microscope that you can see into the future with?
This was $8.55.
Ah.
Honestly, Wish is a good spot for these weird little gadgets and gizmos. We've got ourselves a men's bag. Wow, Bull Captain. Hello, my name is Bull Captain. I will try my best to present myself to you in the future.
What? Is this a genie?
All right. Oh, I see something. It's a pass-through USB port where you can plug this into a power bank and then you can externally plug into your bowl and you can charge up your device.
Oh, that's actually kind of stylish on it.
You know what? This actually feels pretty comfy, and while it's not super high quality, I want to embrace the Bull Captain life. How much was this Bull Captain bag?
It was only 25 bucks.
Wow.
You know what? The Wish fit coming together. You know what? Actually, hang on, I'm missing one thing though. This is brooch.
Brooch?
Brooch. You guys trust me, right?
No.
No.
Never. We've never once done that.
Can I reach inside your shirt for a moment?
What?
What?
Oh, it's upside down, but that makes it better.
I tried.
How much was this I tried brooch?
This was 95 cents.
You know what? I'm feeling good. This episode of Wish Tree Tech is coming in with some high quality items.
You looked down right as I threw it.
This is the singing cactus. All right.
No!
I feel like I've descended into some deep circle of hell. Can we please move on? I don't care how much the cactus was. I need to move on. It's a ghost detector. It literally just says the word ghost on it. It will detect RF radio frequencies. Apparently all ghosts live between the 100 and 2600 megahertz band, just like 5G.
See if the Furby's haunted.
Oh my God! It's haunted! Matt, stand up for a second. Don't tell me where your mic pack is, I'm gonna find it.
I've seen this at TSA before.
Starting to need you to bend over. I found it. It's in this pocket. It found it! It worked! It might find ghosts, 5G, or micro listening devices. Maybe even missiles! Who even knows?
It actually came.
What if I could tell you, friends, that 2006 could be returned to us?
Oh my God!
Do you see this workplace abuse?
Would anyone like to play Woo Sports?
Wait, did you think I was a TV?
My Wii to HDMI, my HDMI cable, and most importantly, the Woo console. Woo custom console case. Replace your existing console case with a unique custom replacement case kit. Woo.
That is not what we ordered at all.
But it's so heavy though. Hold on. What is inside here? Is it just? It's a Woo. They just put that on the box so that Secret Service doesn't tackle them at the border. This looks like a legitimate Wii, but if you look closer, you can tell that at the very least it has a new shell. The things you can find on Wish.com, completely wild. All right, let's see what happens.
It didn't beep like a Wii.
It didn't, but it made a drive noise. Oh, I think what we've got here is a real Wii that has been jailbroken, rehoused, got all kinds of new accessories. Look at the completely authentic games we've got, including Just Dance 2, Mario Galaxy, and that's it. It clearly works as a real homebrew Wii. Jared, how much do we pay for the Woo custom console case that's an actual real console?
$111.
I feel like you could probably spend a Saturday or two going to a garage sale and you're gonna find an authentic Wii for 10 bucks.
What? I'll tell you, Wii's have actually come
Yeah.
up in price. 111 bucks actually isn't totally crazy. I mean, of course, I would never condone such behavior. I just purchased this for educational use only. Nintendo, please don't take my video down. However, Wish.com, you got some explaining to do. It's time to evaluate the Scent Slammer. It has been charging for over an hour now. Let's see if it can slam my scent. How do I activate this?
Don't hold up next to your nose. Well,
Whoa, it smells like chlorine.
oh,
That's what ozone is actually supposed to smell like. There's another couple minutes off the life. Oh.
You know what? You would rather smell like ozone than smell like shame and poor decision making. I'm right there with you, friends. Jared, could you please give us an item to end this episode of Wish Tree Tech on a bang? There comes a time in life when browsing Wish.com, you see something that truly catches the eye.
Boomer
It's the Boomer
Impulse.
Impulse LED Bluetooth boombox.
I like that.
It weighs absolutely nothing.
It's like a cardboard tube.
Yeah.
You can see the like
Are you
spiral in it.
serious?
Yeah. It also has a mic jack, but it's a big boy. Oh, it has aux as well. USB, micro SD.
Power on.
Ooh, that's got
Wireless device is ready to pair.
Hold on, I got it. Okay.
Can serenade us.
It doesn't sound bad, but if you want like a nice deep bass, I mean, that is about as deep as a little puddle.
How much was the Boomer Impulse?
This is $32.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's half a social security check. Well, my friends, if you would like to see me continue my descent into madness, make sure to subscribe to the channel, ring-a-ling that ding-a-ling button. I'll see you on the interwebs.